to wear it. Yes, I
No,
had to
you
put
do.
it on there. I had no choice.
Do.
So she gave it to me at like the office Christmas party, and I'm like, it's great. I love it.
He doesn't like it. He doesn't like.
What's the way you're singing? You have to sing it louder. He doesn't know what you're doing.
Yeah, maybe he just doesn't like your voice.
Come on, Danielle, do it. Sing. Danielle, you can't sing. That's the issue.
I'm okay. I'm good. No chocolate for me.
Is he even looking at the hand?
But if you do that, if you clap and snap and clap, he likes that.
Yeah, he's not. See, he doesn't look.
Are you still scuba diving?
I haven't been in.
He's looking
3
at it.
years.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is.
Do a refresher course.
I never do. I just tell him that I went 6 months ago. It's not that hard. Although when I went,
You okay,
Are
John?
you okay?
did you have a nightmare? Were you falling?
Yeah, I think so.
Were you falling and you showed up naked to class all together?
John, what happened?
I don't know.
What were you thinking of?
I don't know.
Well, you freaked out. You should know.
Oh, poor guy, it's
I
jet
felt like
lag.
he was slipping.
Who?
Oh.
Aw, that's nice. Carito, you thought you were slipping.
We thought he was on top of you.
Well, he was slipping, actually. Ow.